I love eBay because you can find things like this. This is a pretty vintage chainsaw, handheld, and guess what? This thing is incredibly heavy. Holding it with one hand too heavy, that's why there's a second hand, and looks like there's no safety for this thing. So let's set it up. There's a bar. There's owner manual. Wow, look at that. There's a vintage owner manual. With the blade and eBay listing said it was working. So let's try it out. This reminds me of those electric miniature chainsaws. Hopefully it's good enough. Now let's dab the chain on and we're gonna adjust it. Okay, this is good for now. Let's cover it up. Which way does it go? This way, right here. Okay. Okay, this one goes here. This one goes here. I think it's original bolts. This needs to be pretty tight because you don't want them to fall off from the vibration. And oil is gonna go into here. I think it's spilled out a little bit. Yeah, I guess this is a bar oil. And then whenever you press it right here, the oil will go on the chain. Probably not gonna take a lot of oil. It's obviously electric, there's no gas, just oil. Okay, let's plug it in and see how it works. Okay, let's oil it up, let's see if it works. Oh wow, it works so good. I can't believe there's no safety for such a big chainsaw. So oil it up a little bit and let's start. Pretty crazy. Keep it to a bigger piece now. That log is not holding really good. That's crazy. I'll tell you what, sounds like a drill. Pretty crazy, kind of freaks me out that there is no safety. Okay, let's put to the test some a little bit better. Like this black locust, really good firewood. Sits in there really well. Nice. Wow, cutting it so well. This is a powerful chainsaw, look at that. It's been dead, so it's dry wood over here. Let's keep on going, the next one over here. You know what just happened? I pushed it as hard as I can and it didn't stop. I just stopped it myself to tell you that because it's loud. So. Very powerful. Looks like we need to adjust the chain though because it pushed it up. Also we need to oil it up. Give you a different view, pump up the, go give you a different view, pump the oil up, start. funny how this thing almost in a way, if I touch it too close, this touches my hand. Are we getting loose again? Yeah, getting too loose, too quickly. So this is just maybe too hard of a wood too. This is a really old, not a moist wood. But yeah, pretty epic electric chainsaw, vintage one, don't you guys think? I'm not gonna keep cutting this log, it's almost like a stone, it's so dried out. Black locust is pretty amazing for that, but it's gonna burn well and hot coals too. So maybe I'll use a different chainsaw, but yeah, now you know what this thing is all about. I mean, look at that. That wood is like a stone, and that saw is so powerful that it can cut through this hard wood even though it's dried out so much. Look, it doesn't even dent. So with that softer wood that just been recently cut down, it cuts it a lot faster. But it can even take this really old dried out wood and hardwood as well. Pretty awesome chainsaw for sure, but missing safeties.